Good morning, friends. I am Piyush. Today I am going to teach you about, show you about how to make a speech recognition system in Python. So first, let me give you a demo how it works. So this is my program I have written already. So just check it. Go and just run it. And hello Google, what are you doing? See, it is working. So let's start how it works. Before going to deep, I would request you to install Python, but for future use I'll suggest you to download Python 3.5. For that you go to the link. This is https colon /www.python.org/downloads/. From here you can download your specified your specified Python. It may be 3.5 or 3.6, 3.7, anyone, but I'll request or suggest you to download 3.5 so that you can use the future things also in this Python 3.5. So after installing the Python 3.5, after installing the Python 3. After installing the Python 3.5, I'll suggest you to go to the command prompt. Go to the command prompt and do it. Control and S. Sorry, Command and S. It is just call the CMD. And from here you have to install pip install speech recognition. As I have already installed, so it will not install in my computer, but I have to install before going to this. This is a module which works for the speech recognition system. Looks like my as you see, requirement already satisfied, speech recognition. So once you will install, you will see it is installing and it will go inside the C user, PC data, app data, local, Python 35, 32 live site packages. Inside that you will see the speech recognition file. After that you just have to import these things. For that you have to write import speech underscore recognition as R. We are importing this as SR, and after that you have to import the another module, that is import operating system, that is OS. After that there is a function inside the speech recognition class, that and we have to call that function. That function is a recognizer. So we will write p equal to recognizer. After that in many computers when you speak they will not listen your voice. So for that we will use a energy threshold, that is energy threshold value. So for that we have to write p energy underscore threshold. I'll suggest you to take it as 2000. Okay. After that wait sr dot there's another function sr dot microphone. We are taking it as a source. Print to display the message, what to say or what to not say, say anything. We will take a variable, that is audio equal to r dot listen. Listen is another function inside the listen is another function inside the microphone. So here's a mistake, sorry. Okay, after that we'll make a try statement. It is try. Print hello slash, and we are writing a new line equals, and we are concatenating it by p dot recognize underscore Google slash under said that we are giving the parameter audio, so that it will take the audio and pass it to the Google API and convert the sound into text format. Okay, and here we have done it. For any exception, if it happens, use except and just pass it and save it. If you want, just run module. Okay, save it by speech, like save and run it. Hello Google, what are you doing? And it is slow, so that's why it's late. Okay, this is working. So if you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. Please click on the bell button. Thank you.